Hey guys, so today I've got a 2019 Volvo XC60. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light after an oil change. So no special tools are needed. We're going to use this downward button and then the ignition to reset the light. So first thing we're going to do, make sure the ignition is off. Then we're going to turn it once right over here, put it in accessory mode, press and hold the downward cruise button, and then start the car. Just hold the downward button. Once it starts flashing, let go of the button and it'll say maintenance reminder reset. So it's very simple. Sometimes it will show you the sign that the seatbelt's on. The seatbelt's not on. It's gonna interfere with the reset procedure. So it's always better to put the seatbelt on while doing this procedure so you don't get that fault message. So very simple procedure, easy to do for DIYers or even technicians. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.